Okay, I have to move this duct downward a little. If we have the space problem, we have to go to the ceiling level and move the diffusers a little to bottom. I have to do this, and so I have to rectify this one, and I move it to the left. Estimately, I move it as the size of one cell. It's important. You must be in the ceiling view, okay? And I select duct and move it downward. I don't want to put it on the wall. And align these. And I move this one downward. Now I select the duct here, create similar, and I connect these one to make a little space. Now we rectify these, and other places are okay. For connecting these, we have two methods, and I have to teach you some tools, and I pinned these to see the diffusers. This diffuser, in this part you can select the diffusers, use the connect to tool, and click on the main line of the duct, so they are connected. So because this is not the flex type, we have the tool for this. From the systems tab, you can use convert to flex duct and click on the diffuser like this. Now select the channel and change the duct type to the round one, or for example this one, or this. There's important note, go to edit, and I change the square to round. This is important. And I remove this, or I have to tell you another tool, reapply type. For example, we change the tab, but the changes has not applied. So we can use tab key, or the total system, or just this. So I have to unpin. Now I select these part. We have the reapply type. So you have to override the changes of the duct. Now I want to connect this, so the changes have applied, because it hasn't enough space for this. But with this tool, I will use a sample for you and have the changes. What is another method? It is a little more complex than this, and I use this section, and I go to the view of this and extend the view and go to the fine for view, and I try to draw a duct, okay, and I move upward with round shape. So I have to align these with each other. We have to align these with the axis of both objects. So I extend the duct. Now in 3D view, using shift to rotate, and we can see the tapped connection. With this method, you can change the type of duct to the flex one. From the system tab, convert to flex duct, like this, in this part. Now I move it a little. It's important. Damper must be placed in the diffuser's space. So I a little move like this, and you can use damper. I just remove this for a moment. I use Ctrl Z, and I remove damper and place it here. For placing the damper from the system tabs, use duct accessory. We haven't the round damper. I go to the load family, favorite, project files, family. You can use these dampers. We have round one and rectangular one. I select both of them using Control key. And round one appears here. It's not necessary to put your damper here. You can put it, for example, here. If you want to change the direction, you can select the damper and use these arrows for better access. It is important to know that use damper for these type of drop ceilings, tiles type, okay? If the type of your drop ceiling is gypsum, please do not use damper because it's not usable, so it's not good to choose. So we use dampers when our drop ceiling is tile shape. In here you can use flex type here. For example, I remove it and I remove these two. Use flex type here and drag it to connect to another part. It depends on your opinion or technical opinion, okay? If the length is very long, for example 2 meters, so it's better to use hard duct. It was very important note